Okay, time for another hairstyle. Are you ready? I think I'm ready. Today we may just try a half up, half down style. My hair is usually flat on this side, so sometimes if I flip it to the other side, it'll give me a little lift. This is one of those hurry up, do your hair fast, get out the door, don't waste no time. Get my bobby pin in, let that hair stay down, bring those back. Put that pin in. Just want to take the front pieces, let the rest hang down. That's how we're going to get our down style. And meet up with our other little hair. Put our pin in. Not too bad. Quick, easy, simple. Up. Puff a little bit of that out so it blends. Those are the best styles when you really just want to hurry up, put something up, still look cute. I think it looks cute, okay? Be wrecking it, okay? Because I'm savage. I hope everybody's having a great new year. I hope February is treating everybody good. Valentine's around the corner, so I hope you got that special somebody. And if not, you are a special somebody. Forget what everybody else heard, all right? Do you, okay? Take yourself to the movies. Take yourself out to eat. Call a girlfriend. We're always good to go do something. Shoot. Alright, if you like this video, press the like, do a thumbs up, subscribe. I want to thank everybody who's been watching and supporting me and sticking it through while I do these hairstyles every day. While I'm trying to look cute for America, okay? Thank you all so much. Have a good day.